एसएसबी इंटरव्यू की कंप्लीट तैयारी करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के साथ। कंप्लीट पैनल ऑफ ऑफिसर्स, पर्सनलाइज्ड व इंडिविजुअल गाइडेंस के साथ तैयारी करें इंडिया के सबसे बड़े जीटीओ ग्राउंड पे सभी फैसिलिटीज के साथ। पाए एग्जैक्ट एक्सपोजर ऑफ प्रोग्रेसिव ग्रुप टास्क, हाफ ग्रुप टास्क, फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क, कमांड टास्क, इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टेकल्स। आज ही ज्वाइन करें इस सक्सेस रेस को और हिस्सा बने हमारी अनवरत चली आ रही कामयाबी की दास्तां का।
Friends, you already know what is PPDT stands for. Now the same thing is going to be given as a practice to each and every group. Once this practice is given to you, please try and do the best as you would be doing in SSB. To recollect the procedure for all this, in PPDT they show you a picture and that picture is generally hazy. It is shown to you for 30 seconds. Once the 30 seconds are over, the picture is switched off and you are expected to write a story on that, including the rectangle which is there on your PPDT form. Complete time for all this is given to you is 4.30, that is 4.5 minutes. 30 seconds already taken away for showing you the picture. That means total time given to you is 5 minutes. Once you have written the story, the paper shall be collected from you. Once the paper is collected, you are required to start individual narration. The narration will start from the lowest chest number in the increasing number, and narration will be for 1 minute each. To give you a caution, after 1 minute there will be a bell which will be sounded, and once it reaches the last gentleman, in this case chest number 98, the complete group will start with the group discussion to reach a common solution. This discussion will be for 10 minutes duration, and at the end of it, either the group will nominate somebody from the group as to who will. At the end, he would say thank you to the group. Is that clear so far?
Yes, sir. You have to be attentive when others are narrating their stories. So once you listen to other stories, then definitely you will be managed to perform in the better way during your group discussion. You know the objective of GD? To come out with the common group story, and further we may ask any one of you to come up and give common group story. Okay? You know this is a limited scenario and this is not individual activity. This is group activity. And the objective is to find out the suitable candidates. So this is also known as process of elimination. And we all know this fact honestly, that within this limited time you cannot come with the common consensus, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But then also DIPR has structured this in such a way where we want you to fight with each other, to have arguments, so that we will point you out and we will grade you negatively and you will get out. So this is the process of elimination round, also known as mini SSB or stage 1 of SSB interview, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's see how is the Josh.
Hi, sir.
Okay, let's see how you're going to perform. Start.
Well, friends, I have perceived 4 characters in the picture shown to us. The action of my story is vigilant and helpful boy. Rohan, 18, an active athlete, positive mode, is the central character of my story. In the evening en route home, he saw a collision between a car and a scooter. He approached, asked their well-being, took up the first aid from the car, gave them, also gave him his bottle for drinking and gave the water splashes, came back home in time. Next day, wrote a letter to PWD informing about putting a turn on the signal. The signal got installed within 7 days. He felt contented. Thank you.
Friends, from the given picture I have perceived 6 characters. Few males and few females. The central character of my story is Suraj, who is 19 and is coming back from his school and in a positive mood. The action of my story is to help and aid the couple fall from the riding bike. Suraj, 18, school prefect of DPS Ambala, coming back from school, noticed that a bike which was in a high speed fall down, and he directly ran to the scooty, gave them first aid from the nearest medical store, gave them water, put bandage on the wounds they had. He also took a private vehicle, took them to the nearest hospital, also tell his parents about the situation and told them that he will be coming back in time. Also, he told about the situation to the relatives of the injured people. After that, after informing the people, the injured relatives came back, and Suraj came to home in time, and he was contented by his work at that day. Thank you.
Well friend, as the picture shown to us, I perceived 4 characters. My central character is Avinash. After the 12th examination, Avinash decided a trip to Bannerghatta National Park along with his friends. He took their opinions. He made a plan for a visit on the next coming weekends. They made a plan. He asked the friends to bring the eating materials as well as the mat and the medical kit along with them. He himself prepared the food for there. They went there, they booked a ticket, they hired a guide. They all decided to have a jeep to have a more wider view of the place. They went for a safari on a Bannerghatta National Park. On the way to the safari, they were stopped by the tiger passing by the road. They clicked the photographs, and with the guide they got to know more about the Bannerghatta National Park. After completing the safari, Avinash also suggested them to go to the nearby zoo which was there beside the Bannerghatta National Park. They went there zoo and watched the different animals and got the knowledge about them. After that, they enjoyed in an ice cream parlor, ice creams, and later they reached their home on the allotted time they have given to their parents. Thank you, friends.
Well, friends, I have recognized 4 male characters in the given story. Chandu, 17, in a positive mood, is the central character of my story, and the action of my story is providing aid to an injured person. Chandu, 17, an adventurous and a nature-loving boy, was on his way returning from a picnic. On his way, he met an incident in which he found that a person, a bike rider, got injured by falling down from his bike. So he suddenly rushed to him and provided him aid with the first aid kit which he had, and for a better treatment he took him to the nearest hospital, and there he also explained the complete incidents to the doctor, and after making the injured person comfortable, he returned back to his home and continued his story. Thank you.
Hello friends. Well, I pursued 5 characters in given story. Rajesh, 20, in a positive mode, returning office from home. He saw a incident happen on the road. He took the boy who just fall out on the road. He immediately took action and provided a first aid. And after that, he saw the possibilities around us, like clinic. He pursued him by in a clinic and informed his family's members that the incident happened. So the family are on the way. So he just told him that not to worry, that all the incident is all the control, and he's all right. Thank you.
Well friends, from the picture that is shown to us, I have observed 4 characters evolved in the positive mood. Mahesh, 22, a central character of my story. He is a technical engineer in Core Private Limited, Uttarakhand. Once on a weekend, he decided to organize a picnic with his family. So before one day of his picnic day, he ensured to pack all the luggage, and also ensured to pack all the requisite items. He packed all the snacks and eatable items. He went while he was on. He decided to go to picnic with his own transport means. So while he was on the journey, his car got punctured, and being a technical engineer, he changed the tire of the car, and thereafter they kept their headway. While reaching there, they enjoyed a lot, and they captured the beautiful scenario of the mountains. And also they decided to visit the Chumbi Valley. So out there they had a very enjoyable days, and he came to his home on time and resumed his office. And on the next day he went to his office and shared his all the experiences of his picnic, and he felt contented to spare the time with his family. Thank you, friends, for listening my story.
Well, friends, picture shows to us. I have seen 5 characters. The center of my character is male, 24 years, positive mood. The action of my story is attending friend's marriage party. Craftsman Anil, 24 years, vehicle mech of 17th Regiment. While on leave, he was going to attend friend's marriage party with his family. In the middle, he realized that his car is doing unusual sound. He immediately stopped it, checked it, come to know the bolt of the front wheel was missing. He opened the wheel by the help of jack and took the bolt by nearby transport and repaired it. Thereafter he joined marriage party, eat dinner, enjoyed dancing, captured picture and video, and interact the friends family, and thereafter he returned home safely and shared the pictures video with their friends and relatives. Thank you for listening.
Well, friends, I have pursued various characters, out of which Raman 19 is my central character. He is in a positive mood. Raman 19 in his summer vacation with his friend was on a trip to Nainital to enjoy various adventurous activities like paragliding, mountaineering, and etc. There, in the base camp, they met with other tourist people from the other countries and they mingled up with them. Next day, Raman, together with all the group, decided for a trek in the nearby Kobru Hills in Nainital. After that, he packed all the necessary materials, food items, ropes, and first aid, which would be required if necessary. There, they trek. Raman helped his associates in the mountaineering. Reaching the top of mountain, they felt the beauty of nature, the floating clouds, and they were very pleased with the natural beauty. After that, they stayed there for 4 or 5 days in the camp and then returned home safely. Thank you.
Well, friends, I observed 3 characters, all male and in neutral mood, of 43, 28 and 18 years of age respectively. The action of my story is helping a man in an incident. Vansh is my main character. Vansh, 18, a NEET aspirant, while jogging in the morning, observed an incident on the road. He immediately went to the place, lifted the man and parked the bike on the side of the road. He then brought Dettol, Vitadine and white medical band-aid from the nearby dispensary shop. He washed the wound and applied Vitadine and covered the wounded area with the white band. Then he gave a helping hand to the person and to reach the bike, started the bike, and the man thanked him and went to his home safely and slowly. He was very happy and was very proud of himself and continued jogging. Thank you.
एसएसबी इंटरव्यू की कंप्लीट तैयारी करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के साथ। कंप्लीट पैनल ऑफ ऑफिसर्स, पर्सनलाइज्ड व इंडिविजुअल गाइडेंस के साथ तैयारी करें इंडिया के सबसे बड़े जीटीओ ग्राउंड पे सभी फैसिलिटीज के साथ। पाए एग्जैक्ट एक्सपोजर ऑफ प्रोग्रेसिव ग्रुप टास्क, हाफ ग्रुप टास्क, फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क, कमांड टास्क, इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टेकल्स। आज ही ज्वाइन करें इस सक्सेस रेस को और हिस्सा बने हमारी अनवरत चली आ रही कामयाबी की दास्तां का।
Friends, in the picture I have observed 3 characters, out of which 2 are males and 1 is female. And my main character is Ramesh, 17. Ramesh, 17, is a student of Army Public School, Nagpur, and he is also a leader in trekking and mountaineering club in his school. And he was appointed as a team leader for a trip to visit Lonavala, and later on he instructed all the team members about various things that need to be packed up, also the food and trekking gears, and later on booked the tickets. And then they they first reached to Mumbai. From there they hired Gypsy, and from Gypsy they went to Lonavala. And while in the way, they met with an obstacle, that was a tree trunk which was fallen down due to heavy rains. And then Ramesh quickly get out of his jeep and instructed his members to pass him the trekking gears that he instructed, and he cut out the branches and paved path for the gypsy. And later on, I would also like to add in my story that they also hoisted red flag for the other people so that they would not collapse with it. Later on, they visited the hilltop and they also enjoyed the moment and returned back to Nagpur on time. Thank you.
Friends, in my story, I have seen 3 characters. They all are in positive mood, and my central character is Kriti of 18 years old in positive mood. My action of my story is Kriti, after coming back from school, saw an incident between bike and a car. My story begins like this. Kriti, 18, of class 12, was coming back from his school, saw a collision between a bike and a car, went towards the man who was fallen, said the man who was standing near the road to pick up the bike and keep it aside. Picked up the man who was falling, see that there were some bruises on his leg and hand. Then the man who was driving the car, Kriti, asked him to give the first aid kit of the car, applied some Dettol on the bruises and cleaned the area. After that, gave some first aid and also told the driver to apologize and give some money for the damages that had created on the bike. And also told to not drive the car in a fast speed. Then went back to home happily. Thank you, friends, for listening. Friends,
roadside, there are the jeep and the bike on the roadside. The center character on his way helps the person who are involved in the accident. The one in the jeep, he shifted to the other seat, and the one in the front
visiting a place.
The center character after
visiting a Bannerghatta National Park.
Visiting a Bannerghatta National As most of us have seen the man, so let us take man as the they have enjoyed the kind of an incident. First of all,
Okay, till now you could not draw the common group story. Now let's divide this group into 2 parts. So starting from chest number 50 till 98, we'll be having discussion now for next 1 minute. Once they stop, automatically remaining students will be having discussion. Start.
One thing that most of us have seen, they have decided that they all are going to a tree. We have seen an accident. So we can get a game where we are going to a tree and we made an accident and help the people. And the accident was because of the tire. And the man came. Now let us so who will be the central character? We can take any outside of the central character. So we can help them. Raj as the central character. Let us get Raj as the character. They all had went to a trip. They were in the trip on the road. And in the road, they made an accident. They saw an incident. They saw an incident. Because the car and the segment.
And he took the jeep to the hospital. He can drive the main character can drive the jeep after putting the 2 injured persons and drive the jeep to the hospital.
Now let us come to the conclusion. Let's revise all the points as we discussed one incident and they helped that person and went off to enjoy their trip.
Stop. You have not met the expectation, the objective of the PP and DT, and you have made a fish market. You have not able to come and reach at a particular decision. So I'm giving you last 1 minute to come to the common group story.
Friends, as all of us have decided that they were on a trip and they saw cultured cars. So we must take this as a common theme and we must decide the plan, action plan, and what the step they have done. And also by the help of our common.
Okay, time up. Now any one of you can take the group permission and come to a common group story.
Friends, I think I have taken all the points. So can I go? If you all agree, can I go and give the common group story? Thank you, friends. Jain sir, can I narrate the common group story?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Friends, we have taken all the common points. Now the story begins like this. The central character is Raj, 18 years old, in positive mood. He is a first year MBBS student. Went for a trip with his friend during the summer vacations, and during the trip he saw a car that saw an incident between a car and a bike, and that incident was because the car tire was punctured. So he first took help of the group, set the group to keep the bike aside so that there will be no traffic jam. After that he also set the group to let's repair the punctured tire. They repaired the punctured tire. They after that gave first aid to the man, see if there is any serious injury, after that they started enjoying the trip. Thank you, friends, for listening to my story.
So we'll start with the individual briefing first of all, and then followed by the general briefing in the end. Just number one, there is improvement, but what was the common point of observation? That you were constantly speaking in the group discussion. Narration was fine, but you need to be more loud, more effective, and constantly you were speaking and the voice level was coming down. That is the point. And you could have they could have a better story. Yes, ma'am. Better idea you could have, right? And maintaining the eye contact. Being effective in the group. So you can think on these lines.
Overall story is okay. Overall story is good, and GTO has given you positive grade. I have given you positive grade, but certain areas where you need improvement, that is more involvement. GD में जब आप बोल रहे हैं तो लोग आपको सुन क्यों नहीं रहे हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन जैसा बोल रहे हैं वो अच्छा है. So we have given you positive grade and we have made you overall screened in. बट और तेज होना है, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल और बढ़ाना है, और एक्शन वगैरह छोड़ना नहीं है, ठीक है, स्टोरी में. नेक्स्ट 30.
So just number 30 is a very brave lady sitting in front of me, Prerna. Prerna, but there is a way to write the PPNET story. Okay, so no common names, and you should not mention the accident. Okay, you should not show the accident, and rather than you can say that the incident was averted or some other. Just think on the ideas which sir has told you.
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे।